This is the hardest 2021 PSLE question that many students and even adults struggle with. But here's a simple way to do it, and I'll show you how. The figure is made up of 3 rectangles. A straight line is drawn across the rectangles, dividing the figure into 2 parts, shaded and unshaded. For part A, the perimeter of the shaded part is 4 cm longer than the perimeter of the unshaded part. What is the length of AB? So now let's take a look at the perimeter of the shaded part. For perimeters, we always have to trace the outline. This would be the outline of the shaded part. Let's outline the perimeter of the unshaded part. This whole portion would be the outline of the unshaded part. Since the question mentioned there is 4 cm longer for the shaded part, let's look at the difference in their lengths. This is equal to this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. This line in the center is the same for the perimeter for the shaded part as well as the unshaded part. So because it is the same, we can also erase for both shaded and unshaded part. This equals to this equals to this, and this equals to this. So last but not least, this is also equal to this. So since both of these refers to the difference of 4 cm, therefore the difference of 4 cm comes from these two portions. So since the question mentioned that it is 4 cm longer, we are able to find that these two adds up to 4 cm. And from there, we are able to find one of it. So how do we do that? We take 4 cm, divide by 2, which gives us 2 cm. So which means that this is equal to 2 cm. So can you see that this whole length is the same as this whole length over here? So to find AB, we will have to take 7 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm minus 2 cm. And that will give us 11 cm. So our answer for part A will be 11 cm. So with that, we have gotten past the most difficult part of the question. Now let's use the information we have to solve part B. So now for part B, let's find the area of the shaded part. How do we do that? Let's identify the rectangles. So we have rectangle X, rectangle Y, and rectangle Z. So for rectangle X, we have the length and breadth to be 3 cm times 2 cm. That will give us 6 cm squared. So to find the area of Y, we first have to find the length and the breadth of Y. So the length is 3 cm and 3 cm, which will give us 6 cm, and the breadth is 4 cm. So we have to times 4 cm, and which gives us a total of 24 cm squared. Similarly, we have to find the area of Z. To find the area, we have to find the length as well as the breadth. So length is 7 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm, which just gives us 13 cm, and the breadth is 8 cm. And this will give us 104 cm squared. So now we will find the area of the unshaded. Do you recall the area of triangle is half times base times height? So we use half, and then we have to find the base, which is 2 plus 4 plus 8, which gives us 14 cm. And for the height as AB. And AB, we have gotten it from the previous part. So we have 11. With that, we got it to be 77 cm squared. So this comes the final part. To find the area of the shaded part, we take the total area of X, Y, and Z and remove the area of the triangle. And this will give us the area of the shaded. And hence, to find the area of the shaded, we have 6 cm squared plus 24 cm squared plus 104 cm squared minus 77 cm squared. And this will give us 57 cm squared. So part B's answer will be 57 cm squared. I'm Claresta and I teach Math and Mathematics. I hope to see you next year. Bye!